Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by logging the essentials now, don't wait. Enter date, time, market, instrument, size, and entry price so the trade is anchored. Explain why you took it, price action, indicator signal, or news so future review finds the cause. Also set risk parameters, account balance, max risk percentage, plan stop, and target. Once done, save a quick screenshot of the chart with your annotations. This visual will speed review and prevent memory bias when you analyze later. You continue by keeping the diary alive during the trade. When events occur, partial fills, moved stops, or exits, update the entry with exact prices and times so calculations stay accurate. Record realized and unrealized P&L, fees, and slippage to measure true performance. Also add subjective notes, your confidence level, emotions, and any rule deviations. This explains behavior. Make sure to tag setup type and time frame. These tags let you filter patterns later and focus learning where it really matters. You finish each trade cycle with structured review. Schedule weekly and monthly sessions to compute win rate, average R, expectancy, and recurring errors. Compare setups that work versus those that don't, and distill 3 actionable changes. Tighten a rule, adjust position sizing, or refine entries. If something's missing, troubleshoot. Restore screenshots, check broker logs, and reconstruct notes from chat or timers. Finally, implement one small habit change immediately, so learning converts into improved decisions on the next trade.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.